Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add travel documents to the Jazeera Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen at the top and tap on travel documents, which is the first section. After that, you should click on scan document, and then you will be able to scan your document, and then it will be added to your cards. But first you need to allow the app to have access to your camera, and then you should scan your document. You can also select the document type. Then the passport number should be typed in, as well as the place of birth should be selected, the issue country, date of issue. After that, the expiry date, and if you are done, click on the save button down below in the right side corner of the screen to save all this information and add your travel document to your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.